Hi there! So are you looking for a tablet to watch movies on the go or to play games? Well then, you must check out the newly launched honorpad X9. Now it's an entertainment beast. Firstly, a huge display with 6 speakers. Yes, you heard me right, 6. Above that, Honor is also providing a free flip cover with every pad X9. And best part, it also doubles as a stand. Because kuch bhi kaho, whenever you buy a tablet, you need a cover that becomes a stand. So it's great. Now, I've been using this for about a week. It's priced at 16,999 and the overall experience has been really good. But still, it leaves you asking for more. Don't worry, let me take you through a quick unboxing. I'll share all the details so you can decide you should buy the honorpad X9 or not. Let's begin. So here is the retail packaging of the honorpad X9. It comes with a flip cover. You can see the image of the pad and the image of the flip cover. On the side here, you can see some manufacturing details and the MRP of 25,999. Towards the back, you can see some of its key features. On this side, we have more details. This is a 4GB RAM, 128GB ROM variant. So without further ado, let's quickly open it up. So as you slide this out, you will actually see there are 2 boxes. One of course is the pad and the second one is the flip cover. Let's open up the pad first. So right on the top is the pad itself. Some paperwork that includes the warranty card and a quick start guide and a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. That's it. There is no charger provided in the box. Coming to the flip cover. And there you go. Here is the flip cover. So let's talk about the build and design. Firstly, a metal body which screams premium. Grey color with matte finish, but still it does attract some smudges, but mostly remains clean. Single 5 megapixel camera on the top. The frame is super slim, 6.9 mm and weighs a little shy of 500 grams. Best part, it's extremely well balanced and doesn't feel like it's tilting on one side. Then there are 2 speakers on the left, 2 speakers on the right and 2 more at the bottom. A total of 6 speakers. And trust me, they sound astounding. Here's a quick demo. Firstly, they get loud, and I mean loud enough to replace your portable Bluetooth speaker for sure. The other thing is surround sound, which makes watching movies and videos even more immersive. The thing is, during a demo, we record using just one mic. It's impossible to simulate the real experience, but trust me, it will blow you away. But the thing I miss most is a headphone jack. It's just handy at times. Coming to the display. So it comes with a 11.5-inch LCD display with a resolution of 2000 pixels by 1200 pixels. The color reproduction is pretty decent with excellent viewing angles. 120Hz adaptive refresh rate provides a super smooth user experience. Extremely well optimized, I'd say. Love the way it just flows. The bezels are also quite slim, equal on all the 4 sides and provide just enough space to hold the tablet without blocking the screen. The top bezel, when held in landscape mode, houses the 5 megapixel selfie camera. It's ideal for video calls, the quality is decent, will work really well for office meetings like on Zoom or Teams. Watching movies on this tablet is super satisfying. It's huge, it's clear and goes edge to edge, giving you that perfect immersive viewing experience. Thanks to Widevine L1 certification, you can stream from apps like Netflix and Prime videos at full resolution. Sadly, no Dolby Vision support, but we do get HDR support. Here's a 4K 60fps HDR video playing on YouTube. Works perfectly and looks stunning. But it maxes out at full HD, so no 4K video support here. Let me take a minute and talk to you about the folding cover that comes along. Firstly, it's completely plastic built and the tab fixes perfectly inside, protecting the display and back from any kind of damage. You can turn the cover backwards to make it into a stand. Sadly, there's only one angle that you can set it at, but it's ideal for watching movies and videos. So the top cover isn't magnetic like we've seen on iPads, so it doesn't hold on to the screen and neither does it lock the tablet. You will have to use the physical button to do that. Let's have a quick look at the OS and interface. So firstly, running Android 13, over Honor's own Magic OS 7.1. It's overall very clean and has some smart features for tablets. The first one is the dock at the bottom for most often used and recently used apps. You can open mini windows for apps, especially apps like Notes or Instagram. Looks amazing. Best part, you can minimize it on the side and access it instantly when needed. So cool. And of course, you can also open two apps, one in window, one in full screen, and use them both together. When it comes to bloatware apps, luckily not too many. I just see this booking.com and the Honor Health app. Rest, mostly Google apps, and yes, you can delete what you don't need. It supports Google Kids Space as well as a Family Link app so that parents can set limits on content access as well as screen time. Now, typing on tablets is usually very challenging, though you can do it and it's pretty okay. But I prefer to use a Bluetooth keyboard, and that makes typing such a breeze. I highly recommend you invest in one, especially since apps like Word, Excel and PowerPoint are also taking full advantage of that, and you can use the tablet for your office workflow. I'll list a few tablet supported keyboards in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. When it comes to performance, it's powered by the Snapdragon 685 chipset. It's not exactly a powerhouse, but can handle most day-to-day tasks with ease. It comes with 4GB LPDDR4X RAM with support to further expand by 3GB, giving a total of 7GB RAM. Launching multiple apps is almost instant. Multitasking is super snappy, and the animations are also very smooth, really well optimized. We ran some benchmarks, and starting with Antutu, we got 3,35,000. Basic but decent. Then we ran the storage test as well, and we got 893 MB read and 690 MB write. Then we also played everyone's favorite, BGMI. So keep in mind, this tablet isn't exactly a gaming beast, but still it could handle this game pretty well. It maxed out at 30 FPS, a few drop frames when it would heat up, but it was still very much playable. Keep in mind, it lacks a gyroscope, but again, this tablet is for casual gaming and it'll work pretty well. Coming to the battery. So it comes with a huge 7250 mAh battery, and frankly, I could never kill it in one day. Battery life is really impressive. It's perfect to watch movies and videos on a long flight. It supports 22.5 watt charging, but sadly, the charger ain't provided in the box. Well, ideally, most people would use the phone's charger, but what if a child is using this tablet? It kind of would get hard to share a brick, so keep that in mind. The rear camera can take pictures and videos, of course. Don't expect any great results here, but yes, it comes with a document scanner in the camera app, which is really handy and works very well. Alright, final thoughts. So, after using this pad for a couple of days, I can tell you that the honorpad X9 is an excellent multimedia device. 2K display, 120Hz refresh rate, 6 speakers and a cover that doubles as a stand. Superb. Though, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. Firstly, there's no 4G, 5G or LTE SIM card support here. So obviously calling is not possible and internet access is restricted to Wi-Fi only. Also, there's no memory card slot here, so you can't expand storage. However, this pad is an excellent buy for this price. It's available only in one variant and one color. 4GB RAM with 128GB storage is for 16,999. I'll leave the links below in the description. If you'd like to buy one, this one is definitely worth checking out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention them down in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer them all. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.